Gulf Road here. We got the 23Zero Breezeway 62, loaned to me by my boy Mike, Spirit of 1876. That's 9 numerical characters I just hit you with. Be a lot of numbers in this video, so get your notepad. Start opening this baby up, eh? You have 4 Velcro straps. While you're over here, get about 1/6 of your zipper done. Corner, this down, watch the paint, watch the paint. These zippers are beefy, they are high quality, they are smooth running. Fold your corner. Last bit here. One more Velcro, take them all the way out. Oh. Here, get this on, that one. Velcro, bag, Velcro, lighter started. Good. These don't come with this. They're for the awning. We had some severe wind last weekend. Then you, of course, need to run the perimeter. Get all your flappy jobbies down. Oh yeah, that's real nice. Oh. There you go, looking pretty good. You're gonna want to grab yourself 2 of these. There you go, deployed. Shoes off in the tent, shoes off. Now obviously you can do this from outside, keep your shoes on, but I find it to be kind of a pain. So here we are, getting the last 2 pulls in. And there you go. See you on the other side. Then just a little bit of tidying up. I like to watch the paint. Put them over here, over the back of the awning, and shove them onto my roof. Then you have this. Wow, what an issue. Now you can slide this out of the track, which I am reluctant to do because I fear that I will never get it back in. So I'll show you what I do. Okay. This is impossible to roll up normal style by yourself, so I throw a little triangle over. Get started down here. Tuck it. And shove it. Shove it in there. Here. And there you go. You got your doors. You can use your windows. So far I've slept 5 nights in here, and this is my 8th time opening it. I told you there'd be a ton of numbers in this thing. Let's go over my first 5 impressions, I guess. Okay, so there it is. Obviously Rainfly deploys when you unfold the tent. You have these 2 vents on either side, so 4 total. 6 windows, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side, and then the 2 doors obviously. And then this Rainfly has 4 triangle windows, which you can also unroll if you wish. Velcro's down. Over here you have your mesh, and then obviously storm flap style. That rolls down, zippers on either side. This ladder seems to be very high quality. Okay, once inside, you can see why they call this thing the Breezeway. You have the 6 side windows I mentioned, plus this, not really a skylight because the rain flies there, but I suppose you could take it off in guaranteed good weather, but maximum breeze. It's really cool in here. Every window has a storm flap and a mesh and clips for both. I just haven't rolled that one up, but that's why you do it right there, baby. Now, like I said, I spent 5 nights in here. First thing I noticed is this mattress. Very high density foam. Oh, I can't even get into it. This mattress makes me want to get a stiffer mattress at home. That's how much I appreciated it. Second thing I noticed is this massive size. This thing is 8 feet long by 62 inches wide. What's that mean? That means you can get you, your wife, her boyfriend, and his dog in here and still be relatively comfortable depending on the situation. A couple more things. You do have a channel here. There is an annex you can add on. Back to this bag. This is very thick, very nice, some kind of rubberized material. They also made it slightly oversized. People were sick of this being such a pain to pack up, and they thought, why don't we make the bag a little bigger? And it definitely shows. We'll see it later, but pretty easy to pack up. Ply is thicker than most tents I've used in the past. And then the main tent canvas, very good, very thick, all taped up, real nice zippers, no problems, no snags. But the sickest thing about this tent is the LST. What's LST? Light Suppression Technology. Let's check it out. It's currently 11 a.m. here, Conifer, Colorado. And I'm gonna show you what makes this thing insane. You ready for it? Look at that. You can't look at anything because it's pitch black in here, besides the tiny vents on either side. You're looking at me right now. Can't do it. I could have just gotten in the nude right now. Demonetized because it's pitch black in here, all right? Can't even figure out how to get out of here. There we go. It's so dark. It's really unreal. Now, they call it light suppression technology, but it's also a temperature suppression technology. They claim it's 20% cooler in here. I've never been good with percentages of temperatures, but I can tell you firsthand, I came in here to get my keys out, and it was drastically cooler. It was extremely noticeable. It is much cooler. Love that. The only problems I have with it are with all rooftop tents. They're high if you're trying to fit into a garage. I did not notice anything with gas mileage. I picked this up in Castle Rock, drove, whatever, half-hour home, and I finished with 23 miles per gallon, so no problem there somehow. They are top heavy. This one's 143 pounds, I believe. I notice it in the corners, and then I like to show up to camp, set up, get bored, and then go preview the trail we're doing the next day. That wasn't really an option. I wasn't gonna refold this up. But once it's set up, I mean, it's so big and it's so good. I don't know. You just have to make the call if a rooftop tent is for you. But if it is, this is a great option. I mean, for the price, definitely one to check out. The vents are good. It's a sensory deprivation chamber for sure. The first night I slept in it was cold. I had a tiny bit of condensation, like a 1 foot square on one of the walls. One thing I forgot to mention is I do like how this serves as an awning. So I kind of have awning on either side, pretty cool, but for now, just show you how this thing packs up. you start compressing this, it presses the locks of the next rung so that you could just fold it up, you know, in like one push. Alright, that's it. 5 minutes, 40-second pack down. Not so bad. I think you had this in a truck bed or on a trailer, you'd be like twice as fast. I just have such a tall car. It's so tall. One of the biggest cars you've ever seen. Well, yeah, that's it. The 23Zero Breezeway. I like it. Okay? I like it. What else? What else? That's about it. It's a 10 on a car. Sleep in it. Comes with a mattress. Really good one. Yeah, I think that's it.